Did you know that right now the US government is sitting on over $70 billion that does not belong to them? It's money that have no honor. Maybe someone passed away leaving a bank account their kids did not know about it. Maybe it's an uncashed insurance check or an old tax refund sitting in the dark for years. The bank cannot keep it, the government cannot find the owner. So I am decided to go hunting for it. I am not a hacker, I am not a thief. I am a money hunter. I find people who have lost or forgotten money, and for helping them recover it, I take a 10 to 20% commission. Today I am going to show you how to dig through digital graveyards, recover millions for strangers, and fill your own pocket in the process. Welcome to World of Unclaimed Property Recovery. Every state in the US has a law. If a bank account or asset is inactive for 3 to 5 years, it must be turned over to the state unclaimed property division. If you go their website, you will see list of names, address, and the exact amount owed to them. Some are on $1,000, some $50,000, some over $500,000. The catch, the government want to give it back, but they want to go knocking on door. And the people, they have no idea this money even exists. In this situation, you are the bearish. You find the owner, they get their life-changing check, and you get your finder fee. Is it hard? Not at all. It is pure detective work. Step 1. Go to missingmoney.com or official estate site like California Unclaimed Property. Step 2. Search by common last name like Smith, Miller or Garcia. You will find hundreds of listings with amount over $100. Step 3. Now the real work beginning. Find the person, use LinkedIn, Facebook or white pages to track down the current contact info of the person on that list. You send them a simple message. Hi, I am a researcher. I have located a significant amount of unclaimed funds held by the government in your name. I do like to help you recover it for a small commission. I charge $0 upfront. I only get paid when you get your check. Why would they trust you? Because you are not asking for a single penny out of their pocket. You tell them I will provide proof that this money is yours. You will sign the official government form yourself. The money goes directly to your bank account. Only then you pay me my fee. Nobody say no to free money. If they get $10,000 while sitting on their course, they would not mind giving you $1,000 for finding it. It's a pure win-win. Let's look at the math. If you find just 2 people a month who are owed $10,000 is total recover $20,000. Your 10% commission is $2,000. There are millions of names on this list. Everyone is fighting over graphic design and coding jobs. Go where the competition is zero. Hunt for the lost asset, being a smile to someone's face, and fat a check to your bank account. In my next video, I am going to show you live how I find a $50,000 listing in Texas in under 10 minutes. Hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss the hunt. So viewers, see you next video. Till then, take care. Tada, bye bye.